Nightly greetings to all. William Theo here, homegrown and happy to bring you PTV News Now. Atop our news leaderboard this evening, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, assured the public that it is fully prepared to assist Filipino citizens overseas who may be affected by escalating global conflicts. AFP Chief General Romeo Brawner Jr. said Tuesday that the military has long established contingency protocols for non-combatant evacuation operations, which can be activated immediately if ordered by the national government. He explained that the AFP's assets, including C-130 transport aircraft and naval vessels, are currently on standby and ready to be mobilized at a moment's notice. During the height of the Middle East crisis, the Philippine Air Force had already declared its readiness to deploy aircraft for full-scale repatriation if indeed necessary. Into our news overseas, torrential rains hammered the United States Northeast, submerging roads and transit lines in New York and New Jersey and prompting state emergency declarations. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy urged residents to stay indoors after flash floods stranded vehicles, halted buses in towns like Scott Plains, and dumped up to 7 inches of rain in New York. Subway lines were suspended, major expressways flooded, and emergency crews rescued people from submerged vehicles in Westchester County. Authorities continued to warn residents in low-lying areas to move to higher ground and avoid all non-essential travel. At this moment, let's lend our eyes and ears to my colleague in our Pine City studios for what's hot and happening in the Cordilleras. Audrey?
Naimbag Arabi, palpalagipan di City Health Services Office dagiti naganak a pabakunaan da dagiti ubing kontra iti measles. Kalpasan da iti panagnato ti kaso tinasaw a sakit iti syudad. Kinuna ni Dr. Donabel Tobera Panes ang may basar iti datos at dati 32 suspected cases ti measles iti syudad iti napanatawan bayat nga adamot ti upat a confirmed cases itaatawan. Dito a sakit ket nalaka makaakar kan posible amang itunda iti pupusay dagiti ubing no sanda ang mapabakunaan adagos. Sigun kini Dr. Panes, ti measles ket may sa viral infection nga adan iti sintomas a high fever, rashes a posible nga ag-complicate to pneumonia wenno infection ti uutok.
Ang good news nito is that meron tayong vaccine. No? Balikan natin yung mga vaccine record ng mga anak natin. Tingnan natin kung nakadalawa na sila ng measles vaccine. Ito po ay makukuha natin sa ating mga health centers, libre po. At kailangan po natin silang bigyan dahil nga ito ay isa sa pinaka nakakahawang sakit ng bata at pwede pa nila itong ikamatay.
Iti sabali pay adamag agtultuloy nga umawawat iti relief goods kanda duma pay atulong dagiti biktima ti uram iti barangay Gibraltar. Agyamyaman damot ti awan sardeng nga suporta dagiti daduma barangay iti syudad. May basar iti datos si DSWD CAR, pakabuklan a 27 a pamilya wenno sangagasot, 17 nga individual tinapektaran iti uram. 10 ti totally damaged a pagtangan, bayat a 12 at ti partially damaged. Nakaipaimat ti DSWT 135 family food packs, 270 bottled drinking water, 27 hygiene kits, 27 family kits, 27 kitchen kits, 27 sleeping kits, kan 117 malongs. Manarimaan mo ti investigasyon ti Bureau of Fire Protection Baguio iti pakabuklan at danyos ti uram kan tinagrugyan iti daytoy.
Malaki pong pasasalamat sa amin na barangay officials dito. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nasunugan kasi may mga nag-donate na from sa ibang barangay. Makikita natin talaga na ang mga Pilipino pagka may mga ganyang sakuna mabilis silang nagbibigay.
Dagiti damdamag manipod iti PTV Cordillera siak ni Audrey Villana, Naimbag Arabi.
Many thanks, Audrey. And with that, we wrap up our set of stories for tonight's program. Join us anew tomorrow for another twin bill of stories breaking in the afternoon and evening here and abroad. Always remember to stay connected by catching the news right here. William Theo wishing you all a restful evening ahead, and thank you for watching PTV News Now.